Hi everyone, sorry I've been away for a while, been quite busy with these coasters. I've had quite a lot of orders, and what I'd love to do is just show you this process. It was done with Mrs. Calaberry, Moonstone and Pearl, and they came out just beautiful, and they're my #1 sellers at the moment. So I have mixed the two colours up, and I am just simply doing a circle around the rim of the Moonstone, and then I will be adding white, and then I will be adding some clear in the middle. And I keep adding clear until it comes up to the top surface of my silicone coasters, which I've actually made myself. If anyone's interested in buying any, I can make you some up. Just want to private message me, ask me for a price quote and maybe delivery. They are not yet up on my shop, but they will be soon. I'm just waiting here for everything to flow back into the center before I add my gold bits, which I've added to resin. They're gold leaf flakes, and I will just be adding it to the center. Usually 1 spoonful is enough. If you add too much, it can spread out too much, and I just like it in the center. I'm going to pick out a piece of gold flake that's gone astray. And I also like to push down the gold flake so it doesn't leave a bump on the top of the coasters, even though more often than not I do put a clear coat on top. So then you let them cure overnight, or in my case 24 hours, sometimes 48 hours, so that they're completely set. And once they've dried, I've used some liquid leaf around the edges with a paintbrush, as per my previous video. And that's the job done. And I'm going to wish you all a great week and leave you with the close-ups.